Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to see the bill of material for any assembly. So press tool assembly is there. So if you want to see the press tool assembly, how to do the press tool assembly, the video link is provided in the descriptions. Now let's start. So if you see here, so in this assembly there are four components: bottom plate, top plate, then guide pillar and guide bush. Okay, so this is the assembly is there. So first is you will select the bottom plate. Here we select this, apply the properties. So here I will say describe it as a bottom plate, same name will be the display there. So apply, close here. Next is again we can apply the material to here, assign material. So let's assign the material to it. So I will apply the suppose stainless steel 300. Okay, similarly I will do for the top plate. So this is the top plate. So I will properties. So here I will give the part name also 02. Second part is this and description is this. Top plate, say apply, close it. Second is again I will select this. Here in top plate I did not apply the material, so let's apply the material, assign material. So let's apply the material, say stainless steel A2 stainless steel. Next is guide bush. So here I will select this guide bush, assign material to it. So here I have to apply the, it is a bush, so here I have to apply the material, that is the rubber. Let's see any rubber is available. Okay, let's apply the silicone rubber. Okay, so properties of this part, say part number 04 and this guide bush, apply, close it. Now so here let's check assign properties where we apply the, so here this is pillar is there, its part number is 3 and I will name it pillar, apply, save. Okay, close it. Now how to make assembly, that you can see the previous video which is in the description. So now here I will select the BOM table. I click on the BOM table. Okay, so it will bill of material table. So you can see here, now here I did not give the part number, so that is the bottom plate is there. From here also I can give, I will say 01. So here let me little bit to this side. So here you can see here, now if you want to add any column we can add the column like material. So I will add the material. So you can see here material is added. See the guide pillar material is not provided. I will select this and I will assign the material from these also. Okay, so stainless steel 300 series. Okay, so see these are the materials applied. So here we can change the position of this, suppose material quantity. Okay, So quantity is also there, so I want this column to be right. I want this description should be on the left side. So item, part number, then quantity and material. So if you want to apply the another column, like suppose if you want to apply appearance, name, okay, mass. So if I apply the mass, so it will be generate the mass column. You can see here this mass column is generated. Suppose if you want to apply any column, we can easily apply. So now next is, suppose I don't want this items number, so we can select, okay. Okay, now uh, next is wait, let's make the drawing of this assembly. So I'll click create on the assembly, create assembly drawing. If you want the bill of material in assembly, so I'll select the no view, okay. So here I will insert assembly orientation. I want the isometric view of the part. Say this is the isometric view. Now next is what I want the bill of material. So I will click on the here BOM table. I will select its location where I want bill of material table here, and this assembly should be moved here. Now next is I can call out the numbers part. So I will select this, so it automatically call out from the table. Select the part, this is bottom plate again. So you can see this is the second is the bush. Done. Now this is the thing. Now if we say show the appearance, it will be shaded view. I can see the shaded view. Now again, if you want any correction in this, you can update the in the assembly bill of material table, so it can be get detected. Suppose if we don't want any table, suppose if I don't want the mass table, remove column, okay. This is can be done. Next is, you can see here, and if you refresh it, update with worksheet, it will be remove this mass column, okay. So if you want to add another column, suppose uh, assembly, okay, you can all other also column also, okay. Next is uh, now next I will refresh it. So here uh, now here we don't generate exploded view, so I will click on the exploded view. We can generate exploded view also, add exploded view. So here you have to click, so here I click it. So I want that to be this direction, say minus 100, say okay. Next I want it should be moved down. minus 100. Similarly this, similarly this, similarly this. Okay, next I want this plate should be moved down, so I will say move down so that it can be properly visible. Say minus 150. Okay, so here we can provide rotational also, but we are applying only translation here because the simple assembly is this. So done. Once you do this, done. Now once I select here also, if I we can apply exploded view in any drawing also. Here I will say update, so it is updating. Okay, so if you want the exploded view, select exploded, say explode one, so this view get exploded, you can see here. So this is the exploded view, we can plot it also. Again is that suppose we assign the color appearance, so here I will select, so let's apply the appearance here from this. So if I say edit appearance, I want the color of this should be like this, say apply. Now same thing is applied to here. Similarly, if we see here bill of material, you can apply the column here appearance, so you can see here appearance is applied. Suppose this is the bush is there, we want to apply the bush, say like this color, say apply. Suppose in stainless steel plate we want to apply the color, this pillar color to this, so it is going to apply. Suppose if you want to apply the color to this stainless steel like this, apply. So this is the appearance of the object is generated. Similarly it is going to update it. If you want this appearance column, you can keep it, otherwise remove this column. Okay, this appearance you can get changes in every part assembly also. In drawing also it is going to update, just you update it. And if you don't want exploded view, you can stop exploded view. So I will say default, so it will again come back to the assembly. If you want to see its exploded view, it is explode, sorry export no. You want assembly, say exploded view, so sorry, from here we can select it exploded view. So you can see this is the exploded view. Okay, so here we can these lines, okay, trajectory lines also we can hide, edit exploded lines also we can off, say okay. So no, there will no exploded line. Here also we can edit that. Okay, so in this way we have completed this bill of material, how to generate the bill of material for the Onshape. Thank you.